Welcome to Quad Tech. Do you want to see less sensitive content on Instagram? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to adjust your settings to limit sensitive content in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Scroll down to Content Preferences. Then tap Sensitive Content. Here, you'll see three options: More, Standard, and Less. Choose Less to reduce the amount of sensitive content shown in Explore, Reels, and Suggested Posts. Once you've selected Less, you're all set. Instagram will now show you fewer sensitive posts. And that's it. A quick and easy way to control the content you see on Instagram. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tech tips.